Hello kid. Today we are going to learn how to be safe while traveling on crowded roads and how we should always keep ourselves safe by following the traffic symbol. Well, let me ask you something. I'm sure you all know that with all the hustle bustle in the crowded streets, we need to be very much alert. Why? Because if we don't keep our eyes and ears open, we might fall in trap of some accident and injure ourselves. So, to help us to be safe on crowded roads, especially while crossing it, we need a traffic symbol. So, let us see an incident wherein all this traffic signal will be very much helpful for us. So, let's take your example. Your school is situated in the middle of the city, and just around the school there are so many crowded roads. Just before in this week, there had been a major accident just outside your school, wherein a car came and crashed a bike. Everybody was so scared hearing it. Even in your class, students were very scared. So, the teacher took it very seriously and thought of taking you all out for a practical lesson to teach you what is the importance of traffic symbol. So, one fine morning, your teacher took you all out to the crossing of a crowded busy road, and therein you met with a traffic policeman. The teacher told the traffic policeman that she wanted you all to learn the importance of traffic symbol and the rules and regulations to follow it. So, it would be very nice of him if he could help you out. And the traffic policeman was very much eager to do it. He said that he would definitely teach you the rules and regulations, but you should be very much keen to hear it because it was a busy and noisy road. So, you should be very careful. So, all the students just replied in a big yes. So, upon that, Ravi, your friend, started asking that after every few meters, he has seen a traffic signal. So, why was it like that? The traffic policeman explained it in this way that after few meters, you see a traffic symbol because this traffic signal is there on every crossing of busy roads. Why? Because this traffic signal helps you to be guided during the busy traffic and thus ensuring your safety while traveling on crowded roads. But you asked the policeman that you had seen your dad looking at the traffic signal and waiting for it. You were all confused that what does your father look at the traffic signal and who tells him to either go on or stop over there. So, the traffic policeman cleared your doubt by saying that what is the first light that you see in the traffic signal? Everybody replied red. Why is it red? Because it is the brightest color ever. So, when a person sees a red color on the traffic signal, he understands that he needs to stop his vehicle. So, gradually he just slowly paces down and just stops his vehicle at the signal over here. So, in your case as well, your father had slowed down his car and waited there and looked at the traffic signal. So, when it was green and then he moved on. So, you were super happy because you understood what does this red color signifies. Even the traffic policeman told you all to look at the traffic over here. You saw when it was red, all the cars had stopped moving. So, you understood that you can be safe by following the red color of the traffic signal and stop at the traffic signal over there itself. So, after the red color, the traffic policeman asked, what is the second color that you see on the traffic signal? So, everybody said yellow. Well, the traffic policeman asked, why is it yellow? Because yellow is a sober color and it means that you can now slowly ignite or start your vehicle. Even he told all of you to see the traffic which was in front of you. So you noticed that on one side the cars were igniting to get started, but on the other side of the road you saw cars were moving slowly and they were pacing down and they were gradually going to stop. When you said this to the traffic policeman, he and your teacher were super happy seeing that you are so very attentive in the lesson. So the traffic policeman said that you were absolutely correct. Obviously, when the yellow signal comes, one side of the traffic starts to ignite their machine and start moving gradually, while the other side they just pace it down. Why is that? Because during the yellow signal they gradually slow it down so that they can give enough time and space for the ready to move vehicles to start and go on their way. What happens in this way is that there are lesser chances of accidents over here, thereby ensuring your safety by following the yellow color over here. So after the yellow color, what was the next color? Correct, it was green over here. So the traffic policeman said, you should always remember G for green and G for go. So whenever it's the green light, you can get the permission to move on with your vehicle. So why do you think the yellow color is required in between the red and green? Why don't you think red and green are sufficient in the traffic signal? Let me answer you. Because if only red and green colors were there, then you would have to start your vehicle or stop it suddenly, and this would increase the chances of crashing your vehicle to the next vehicle. Therefore, a yellow color is also there to maintain the traffic in a proper way and to lessen down the number of accidents. So after this, the traffic policeman asked you all, have you understood all the three colors and their importance? All of you shouted yes. But your friend Ravi asked a question that, sir, whatever rules you said, it was for the vehicles. Do you have any rule for the pedestrians as well? What do you think? Can we just walk on the roads anywhere and everywhere as we feel? No. So the traffic policeman explained it in a great way. He said that for pedestrians, we have got a traffic symbol of a boy standing or walking either in red or green. So for instance, if the signal is red with a man standing, so you have to understand that you need to stand on the other side of the road and you should not be crossing the road because vehicles will be moving at that time. On the other hand, if you see a traffic signal with a green and a man walking, that means you have got the permission, being a pedestrian, that you can cross the road because the vehicles are stopped. But always remember one thing. Whenever you want to cross the road, make sure all the vehicles have stopped and you are crossing the road after then only. So finally, you asked the traffic policeman that you saw some black and white stripes on the road. What are these for? Because in every crossing you have seen this. Seeing your attention and detailed approach, your teacher was very happy with you. And even the traffic policeman was very glad to answer your questions. He said that this black and white stripes is known as zebra crossing. It is there for the pedestrians to cross the road on it. And you should always see that the vehicles have stopped just in the back of it. So once the traffic signal is green with the man walking, you can cross the road from one side to the other side, but you should do it always on the zebra crossing to ensure that you are always safe while walking down the roads. So finally, after telling everything, the teacher was very grateful to the traffic policeman. Even he was also happy to help you out. Even he said that he wanted a return gift from all of you. So all the students were laughing because they were very happy to learn the safety tips while traveling on road. They all promised him to give a return gift. So what was the return gift that he wanted? Well, he said that being a student in front of the school, even if you are late, you should never ever run down the road. This is absolutely wrong, because if you do this, you are not ensuring your safety and you are becoming prone to accidents, which can happen anytime on the crowded street full of vehicles. Even the students were very happy to promise the same, that they would never ever run on the streets no matter how late they are. They would always walk down the street following the traffic signal over here. So, I'm sure being a good kid, you would also do the same. And from now on, whenever you're going to school or any other place, you should always remember these safety tips and traffic symbol rules and follow it to ensure that along with you, the people around you are always safe in such kind of situations on crowded streets.